Have you ever dreamed of retiring early, escaping the daily grind, and living life on your own terms? Imagine having the freedom to pursue your passions, travel the world, or simply enjoy more time with your loved ones. The concept of retiring early with $0 may seem like a far-fetched idea, but with the right mindset and strategies, it can become a reality. Financial independence is the key to unlocking the door to early retirement. It's about having enough passive income to cover your expenses without relying on a traditional job. Achieving financial independence not only provides you with the freedom to retire early but also gives you the flexibility to design a life that aligns with your values and goals. Many of us are drawn to the idea of early retirement, but the path to achieving it can seem daunting, especially if you're starting from scratch with no money and no plan. However, with determination, discipline, and the right guidance, you can set yourself on the right track towards financial independence and early retirement. In this video, we will explore the concept of retiring early with $0 and provide you with practical and actionable advice on how to kickstart your journey towards financial independence. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a complete beginner, we've got you covered with tips and strategies to help you achieve your early retirement goals. Stay tuned for valuable insights and step-by-step guidance on how to turn your dream of retiring early into a reality. Assessing your current financial situation. Before embarking on your journey towards early retirement with $0, it's crucial to assess your current financial standing. Understanding where you stand in relation to your retirement goals is the first step towards achieving financial independence. Start by calculating your current income, expenses, and savings. Take a close look at your monthly earnings, including any additional sources of income. Next, track your expenses to determine where your money is going each month. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits and areas where you can potentially cut back to increase your savings. Assessing your debts and assets is equally important. List down all your debts, including credit card balances, loans, and mortgages. Understanding your debt-to-income ratio will help you gauge your financial health and identify areas for improvement. On the flip side, take stock of your assets, such as savings accounts, investments, and property. Knowing your net worth will give you a better idea of your overall financial situation. Once you have a clear understanding of your current financial status, it's time to set your retirement goals and timeline. Determine how much money you'll need to retire comfortably and the age at which you'd like to achieve this milestone. Consider factors like inflation, healthcare costs, and lifestyle preferences when setting your retirement goals. By assessing your current financial situation and setting clear retirement goals, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions and take actionable steps towards early retirement. Stay tuned for more tips on how to build a solid financial foundation for your early retirement journey. Creating a realistic retirement plan. Creating a practical retirement plan from scratch, especially with limited resources, is not only possible but essential for achieving early retirement with $0. By following strategic steps and making informed decisions, you can set yourself on the path towards financial independence and early retirement. To begin, it's crucial to set achievable retirement goals without requiring a significant initial investment. Start by defining your retirement lifestyle and estimating the expenses associated with it. Consider factors like housing, healthcare, travel, and leisure activities to determine how much you'll need to save for a comfortable retirement. Setting realistic goals will help you stay motivated and focused on your financial journey. Budgeting, saving, and investing wisely are key components of building a retirement fund from scratch. Create a budget that aligns with your income and expenses, allowing you to save a portion of your earnings towards retirement. Look for opportunities to cut unnecessary expenses and redirect those savings towards your retirement fund. Consider investing in low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to grow your wealth steadily over time. There are also plenty of low-cost or no-cost ways to start saving and growing wealth for early retirement. Explore options like automating your savings, taking advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, and leveraging tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401(k)s. Additionally, consider side hustles or freelance work to generate extra income that can be earmarked for your retirement fund. By implementing these strategies and taking proactive steps towards building your retirement fund, you can create a realistic plan for early retirement, even with limited resources. Stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your savings and investments for a secure financial future. Building multiple streams of income. Diversifying your income sources is a powerful strategy to accelerate your path to early retirement and achieve financial independence. By generating multiple streams of income, you not only increase your earning potential but also create a safety net for greater financial stability and growth. One of the key benefits of building multiple streams of income is the resilience it provides against economic downturns or job uncertainties. By relying on various income sources, you can mitigate risks and ensure a steady cash flow even if one source is temporarily disrupted. Diversification also allows you to tap into different markets and opportunities, maximizing your earning potential in the long run. To supplement your primary income and fast-track your journey towards early retirement, consider exploring various side hustle ideas or investment opportunities. Side hustles can range from freelance work, online businesses, rental properties, or even monetizing your hobbies and skills. These additional income streams can provide a significant boost to your savings and investment portfolio, bringing you closer to your retirement goals. In addition to active side hustles, passive income options are also worth exploring to increase your financial independence. Passive income streams, such as rental income, dividends from investments, royalties, or affiliate marketing, can generate ongoing revenue with minimal effort once set up. By diversifying your income with passive sources, you can create a more sustainable and scalable financial foundation for early retirement. By embracing the concept of building multiple streams of income, you can pave the way for a more secure and prosperous financial future. Stay tuned for practical tips and ideas on how to diversify your income sources and accelerate your path to early retirement. Maximizing savings and investments. When it comes to securing a comfortable retirement and achieving early retirement goals, maximizing your savings and making smart investment decisions are essential steps towards financial success. By adopting strategic approaches to saving and investing, you can build a robust financial portfolio that supports your retirement aspirations. Understanding the power of compound interest and long-term investment growth is key to maximizing your savings. Compound interest allows your money to grow exponentially over time, as your earnings generate additional returns. By starting early and consistently contributing to your savings and investment accounts, you can harness the power of compounding to accelerate your wealth accumulation for retirement. To fast-track your retirement savings, consider reducing expenses and increasing your savings rate. Review your budget to identify areas where you can cut back on discretionary spending and redirect those funds towards your savings and investment accounts. By prioritizing savings and living below your means, you can build a substantial nest egg for early retirement. When it comes to making smart investment decisions, it's important to choose investment vehicles or tools that align with your early retirement goals and risk tolerance. Consider diversifying your investment portfolio across asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments, to spread risk and maximize returns. Explore low-cost index funds, ETFs, or robo-advisors for a hands-off approach to investing that aligns with your long-term financial objectives. By maximizing your savings, harnessing the power of compound interest, and making informed investment decisions, you can set yourself on a path towards a secure and comfortable retirement. Stay tuned for more insights on optimizing your savings and investments for early retirement success. Overcoming challenges and staying motivated. On the journey to early retirement, it's common to encounter challenges that may test your resolve and commitment to your financial goals. By acknowledging and addressing these obstacles proactively, you can stay motivated and focused on achieving your dream of early retirement with resilience and determination. Market fluctuations, unexpected expenses, and self-doubt are potential obstacles that may arise along the path to early retirement. Market volatility can impact investment returns, while unforeseen expenses can derail your savings plan. Additionally, self-doubt or fear of failure may creep in, causing you to question your ability to reach your retirement goals. By anticipating these challenges and having contingency plans in place, you can navigate through uncertainties with confidence and perseverance. Drawing inspiration from success stories and motivational tips from individuals who have achieved early retirement can provide a much-needed boost during challenging times. Learning from others' experiences, celebrating their achievements, and understanding the strategies they employed can offer valuable insights and encouragement on your own financial journey. To stay disciplined and motivated towards early retirement, it's essential to set milestones, track your progress, and celebrate small victories along the way. Break down your long-term goals into manageable steps, establish timelines for achieving each milestone, and regularly review your progress. By acknowledging and celebrating the progress you've made, no matter how small, you can stay motivated and maintain momentum towards your ultimate goal of early retirement. By addressing challenges head-on, seeking inspiration from success stories, and staying disciplined in your financial approach, you can overcome obstacles and stay motivated on the path to early retirement. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to help you navigate challenges and achieve your early retirement aspirations. Embarking on the journey towards early retirement with $0 is not only possible but achievable with the right mindset, strategies, and determination. By taking proactive steps towards financial independence and setting clear goals, you can pave the way for a secure and fulfilling retirement on your own terms. Throughout this video, we've emphasized the importance of starting early and taking consistent actions towards building multiple streams of income, maximizing savings, and making smart investment decisions. Regardless of your current financial situation or resources, it's never too late to begin planning for your early retirement and securing a brighter future for yourself. Saving, investing, and planning for early retirement are key pillars in creating a solid financial foundation that can support your retirement aspirations. By prioritizing financial discipline, setting achievable goals, and staying motivated through challenges, you can make significant progress towards realizing your dream of early retirement. We encourage you to take action today by implementing the strategies and tips shared in this video. Start by assessing your current financial situation, exploring income-generating opportunities, and setting clear retirement goals. Remember, every small step you take towards financial independence brings you closer to the early retirement lifestyle you desire. Together, let's empower ourselves to take control of our financial future and work towards a life of freedom, flexibility, and fulfillment. Thank you for watching.